guys, handyman here. Thought I'd do a quick boat video, so I've not posted for a while. Sorry about that, it's boat season, isn't it? Kind of. Towards the end of boat season, so that's why I bought a brand new boat. Nice work. Yeah, Boatworld. Got this from the boys at Boatworld. It's my 5th boat this year, so let's hope this one is decent. It's all about the size for me. I've been trying big ones, small ones. This is like a medium-sized one. So hopefully it's going to cater to all of my needs. Bit of fishing, bit of chugging up the river with the kids. But yeah, this is just an unboxing. It's a 300 V air keel, air deck thingy bobby. But yeah, it's a 300 from Boatworld, 3 meters. Just going to see what's in this box. So I wasn't actually sure. It wasn't clear on their website if you got some oars with it. Be very careful with your scissors when you're slicing these things. You don't want to puncture it straight away. Right, I'm going to try and flip the camera around because you don't really want to see too much of my face. There we go. Right, what's in the box then? What do we get? Do we get some oars? Did they chuck in some oars? Oh, nice Boatworld magazine. Oh, look at that nice bag. Oh, decent. I mean, earlier on in the year I got a Honwave T40 and it was just way too big, too heavy, aluminium floor. It took me ages to set it all up. Nice Boatworld magazine, thanks boys. Yeah, look at that bag, that looks good. Oh yes, a pump. I almost bought a new one of these because my Decathlon one doesn't seem to be working at the moment. I'll have to fix it. Perfect, so we've got a pump with that. Oh, got some seats, look at those. I chucked in 2 seats, happy days. You only get one with Honwaves. 2 seats and some oars, brilliant. Happy days. Bag. Decent bag. Not too sure about those Honwave ones, they're a bit annoying, but I can't judge this one yet because I've not used it. Okay. Seems okay quality. Probably, at first glance, a little lower quality than the Honwave ones. But these are half the price, so still pretty tough. Feels like good quality. Well, yeah, just above average quality, I'd say. I'm a boat bag connoisseur, don't you know? Right. So this is the tub. Gonna have to put the camera down because I'm gonna have to pick this thing up. But yeah, I'll pick it up and roll it out and get you guys back on. Okay, starting to roll her out. Smells beautiful, by the way. Okay, nice and fresh. Yeah, look at that. Nice fresh SIB. Gonna get some air in that. Okay, so game changer if you're in the SIB world. Inflatable boats, pumping them up takes ages with a pump, even with a new school pump. Still takes ages doing it manually. So this is what we call a leaf blower. It's a Makita replica. You can get these on Amazon, I think about 30 quid, as opposed to 60. Get a replica Makita battery, about 20 quid. You need a charger, obviously. So I only got this because all my tools are Makita or Makita style. But yeah, this not only does it blow air in, it sucks it out as well at the end. So you can pack it out, vacuum pack it pretty much like this. So yeah, let's get some air in her. And the reason I went for this one actually is because the floor is built in, so you don't have to nonce around with a floor. It's all, you know, it's all one piece. So that again is time saving, and it's just one less thing to forget when you're packing it up or taking it out. Yeah, let's get some air in this and I'll check back in with you. Right, I'm going to actually film this because just to show how quick this leaf blower gets these things up. So I'm going to try and balance you on the table here. Let me see. Kind of just about. Yeah, that'll do. Let's do this. There we go, guys. What did that take? About 5 minutes max? Not even that, 3 minutes? I mean, obviously needs a bit more air in there. And you can just finish that off with a pump. But you could quite happily just go out with it like that if you really wanted to. I had to do the Air Deck, just to show you how rigid it is. Whoop. Right, yeah, there we go. Happy days. That actually feels like really nice quality. But yeah, we'll have to get it out on the water. See how she handles. I mean, I'm not after the best handling, it just needs to be sturdy. I mean, the transom a bit thinner than other models, but other brands. I mean, I'm not going to be towing any water skiers on it, that's for sure. Kids might have a nice bomb around in a tube now and again, but nice trapdoor. They say you have these open and they're self-draining, but I mean the water level has to obviously be up quite high for it to self-drain. But it's got a one-way valve, so water wouldn't really rush back in, but only when you're going along, I think. So the boat would be, you know, angled a bit more. But yeah, well happy. Perfect size, I think, for one adult and two kids, or two adults and two kids. Brilliant. Yeah, the floor, I think the floor's reinforced. It feels a lot thicker than this material. Yeah, well happy with that. Like I said, it comes with a pump, manual pump, 2 seats, and some nice oars, just in case your engine breaks, and a nice little bit of rope at the front. But yeah, I think I paid 800 for this, just shy of 800. But once you pay delivery, I think it's about 820, something like that. next day delivery if you order before 2 o'clock. Yeah, absolutely thrilled with the package. Can't wait to get her on the water now. Just got to decide what engine to put on the back of her. Got a 6, a 4 and a 3.5. So yeah, I'll try and get some videos of when we take her on a first little voyage, hopefully next week. Yeah, smart little boat. Looks so much better actually in the flesh. The pictures don't do it justice on the actual site. Beautiful. Right guys, I'll catch you on the next video. Hope that was helpful. Give us a thumbs up and a like. And yeah, see you next time.